You asked, how to divide 7,364 by 4 using the long division method. 7 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Bring down 3, making 33. 33 divided by 4 equals 8. 8 times 4 equals 32. 33 minus 32 equals 1. Bring down 6, making 16. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. 16 minus 16 equals 0. Bring down 4, making 4. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1841.